So you think of Jamaica, you there walk out in a road? Okay. We are going to take Green Line. Green Line taxi. Shuttle. No. I know it.
No, I'm looking for
Green Line.
Yes, that way.
That way? Okay.
Line. Yes.
Okay. Wow. It's hot out here. No, but when me in the plane, it says 68. Yeah. Yeah. We're in Cancun, baby. Bad feelings gone. The lady literally tell we say, do not go there and take any vehicle because it's not safe. The one way inside will sign me up for the thing. Shuttle. Green Line. Oh wow, beautiful. The place is really nice.
You hear me now? The signal did drop wicked.
So nice. From the airport, we're going to the hotel. Look at the pictures.
We don't even see a sign that say welcome to Mexico or welcome to Cancun or nothing like that. No man, we just take taxi. And the taxi are $50 US.
Camera won't clean. Forget no.
That is the river, no ocean.
The river. I wish. No.
Ocean.
Oh, you don't have ocean, you just have river?
Yeah.
Oh, Cancun.
We're not going to catch a sign.
Yeah, we're not. Get over there, so Gracie. I get over here. So it's so nice. Yeah. And these are coconut tree, really. I thought all of them was palm tree.
Drive like we.
Yeah. Wow. So it's like 30 minutes to go to the hotel, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's nice. I mean, you come and you have people that secure us in the airport and direct us and tell us what we can do and how to enjoy ourselves here. That's nice. That's really nice because we didn't have that when we got to Bahamas. No, we didn't have that. We just go out and take taxi and take the bus like that. But we didn't have that kind of those kind of stuff at the airport. They tell you what to do and how to enjoy yourself. I mean, I watched some YouTube videos. Should I do live? Oh, down here is sharp dead beautiful. Oh. See, that's a Cancun one plaza or something like that. Stops the beauty. What a beautiful place. There's no, you know what? These people are one of the most people that works. They in the US, they work so hard. So if we come and them country and see them work, it's amazing. Because they always say they all always working. You know, they work really hard there. So I'm like, now you see the labor. This place is so pretty. Wow. Nice.
Someone just reminded me actually.
Yes.
So 4 minutes.
Okay, just stop it right away and
4
press it back.
minutes.
Yeah, stop it still. Don't make it so long. Just stop it. Press it stop.
Are you ready?
Stop it and
Are you ready
continue.
to see
Take
the
it
beach?
out. Yeah?
Are you ready?
Take it. Start now. Start again, Gracie. Start again. Yeah.
Okay. This is the best beach public.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
Check the color of the ocean.
Oh, take your time, take your time, take your time.
Oh my god.
Take
My camera
your
now.
time.
This is beautiful.
So nice.
Look at that.
The beach is clean and pretty.
I have to come out here tomorrow.
Ay, ay, ay.
Yes.
This is lovely.
I maybe need a taxi to get me out here
This is
tomorrow.
lovely. This is something for top.
Wow.
Wow, 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 wow.
I have to come out here. What's the name of the beach?
Cancun,
Dolphin.
Dolphin?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so
Okay.
Dolphin.
No. Me I go close to the hotel. That we can just go to the hotel by walking. Yes.
I never realized it.
$50 from the airport already coming. You man, you know. Michael. No, we're not seeing our share. I mean, done our share.
The place is really
Mexico?
nice, guys.
Mexico.
Really nice, beautiful. Like from we leave the airport, 30 minutes drive to the hotel, and it's just beauty. Like just beauty. That's it.